Planet Earth. Well, it's the third rock from the Sun. The Sun's providing us with a rich source of energy, abundant, thriving. The biosphere that we see on this planet is a living, flourishing and thriving ecology. The diversity, food chains and food webs, everything interconnected with a web that supports each other. All the organisms, they just take what they need and then they move on without damaging the environment and living in harmony and balance. And that is what ecosystems are. Life on Earth is around 3.8 billion years old, and as complexity started to evolve all the way up to Homo sapiens, which is well, our race is about 250,000 years, which is very recent in the evolutionary time scale. And within this short time we have basically re-engineered the entire biosphere. And engineering is wonderful, but it's got to take into context that there are limitations, and these limitations need to be worked around. And if we do not work around these limitations, then we just follow the law of dominion and excess. We are going to ruin the life support systems for humans on this planet. The planet will survive. It has seen many cataclysmic events in the past, but it has survived. This time around, due to human impact on the planet and the challenge that we face in how to establish a sustainable balance, is the biggest question. All our petty issues of nationalities, race, color, creed, they are just meaningless, because if we don't have a planet that supports human life the way we think life should be currently based on our model, which is like gregarious parasites on this planet, we are going to, unfortunately, lead to our own mass extinction. It has happened in the past, but there have been natural mass extinctions. I believe there are 5 natural mass extinctions in the history of evolution of life on Earth. This is the 6th major mass extinction that is right around the corner, the way we are exploiting the planet because of our greed. There is enough on the planet, and there are enough alternative energy resources, and there are many others that we haven't even fathomed as yet, but they're at the cutting edge of technology. We are trying to find them. Simple example, this leaf over here, how does it conduct photosynthesis? That can be mimicked if we care to investigate. We could biomimic the planet rather than exploit it for a dirty fossil fuel. We could actually look for hydrogen fuel cell technologies that have been investigated, save the political will, because we're too busy with our Neanderthal thinking of profit, of greed, of land, of cult-like religiosity. Forgetting that our intuitive self is the best connection to divinity, and we all need to discover that. We need to discover ourselves, and that would be the next stage in the evolution of our species as a paradigm shift. Let's all work towards that, because it's possible. It is an inner self that we have not discovered as yet, which is going to take us to the stars, which is going to take us outbound and inbound. And this journey is just beginning. And if we show enough interest in it, rather than be dogmatic, institutionalized, if we are conscious about it, if we are holistic about it, the way the Aboriginal people in all parts of the world used to be, we can create balance on the planet.